Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Are you looking to have the cleanest feeling teeth ever? Then you need this awesome water flosser. This is from FZCOK, and this flosser cleans my teeth so well. In addition to brushing, flossing is one of the best things in my mind that you can do to have cleaner teeth. Once you start using this flosser, you'll notice that it has 7 settings. It holds a generous amount of water so that you can really get in there and clean your teeth so well. I really love the water reserve is nice and big, so I can put plenty of water, and this easily will go through my mouth, reaching into the very back multiple times. It has 7 settings, so you can range it from a slower speed to even a high speed function so that you can really get in there and clean your teeth. It's really easy to charge, and it comes with the cord, and I found that I've had this almost a full month and I've never even had to recharge it. In addition, you get the interchangeable heads for the top so that you can use a new one when you need to. Overall, I find that this just cleans my teeth so well. I'm happy that I'm able to have one that is easy to grip. It's easy to get in there and clean my teeth whenever I need to. If you're looking for something that is really easy to use but will let you really feel as if you've done a great job cleaning your teeth and getting in there, getting out those food particles, making you feel more confident when you smile, then you need to check this one out. But that's just my point of view.